Amazon shares are trading at their highest since November 2021, and it all has to do with AI. Following the news of Amazon's additional $2.75 billion investment in AI startup Anthropic, reports say Amazon is planning on spending an additional $150 billion on data centers over the next 15 years. The company wants to meet that higher demand for AI applications and other digital services coming from the AI trade. But what does AI investment look like on a whole? Research firm PitchBook says other tech companies and venture capitalists have invested around $29 billion in generative AI companies last year alone. For more things AI and Amazon, be sure to tune in at schwabnetwork.com and download the Schwab Network app.